Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve these two problems based on the concepts of Cartesian equations. So let's start with the first problem. Determine the Cartesian equation for the line with a normal vector of 4, 5 and passing through the point A, -1, 5. So we can start by drawing a graph for this problem to understand what's given and what we need to find. So the normal vector is 4, 5. So let's assume the normal vector is the position vector for this point here. So we can draw this normal vector like this. The line passes through point A, -1, 5, which can be shown here. By definition, normal vector is perpendicular to the line. So we can draw this line, the line from this point in a way that it's perpendicular to the normal vector. And this angle here is a right angle because the normal vector is perpendicular to the line. Let's assume this line is L. We have to find the Cartesian equation for this line. So let's start by writing the general Cartesian equation of a line. In this equation, the normal vector is represented by coefficients a and b. We are given that the normal vector is 4, 5. So that means a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 5. So we can sub in these values in the general equation. Now we have to find the value of c, and for that we should sub in the given point A because that point lies on this line. So we'll sub in x as -1 and y as 5. Now we can solve for c. So I get c equals -21. That means the Cartesian equation for the line is so this should be the final answer for the first problem. Now we can analyze the second problem. A line passes through points A and B. Determine the Cartesian equation of this line. So we are given 2 points that lie on the line. So let's start by writing the general Cartesian equation of a line. We have to find the values of A, B and C for this line. We know that the normal vector for this line is A, B. We have to use these two given points to find the normal vector. We can use these two given points A and B to find the direction vector of the line. And for that, we should subtract the position vectors of these 2 points. We can subtract them either way, but for this problem I'm doing OB minus OA. So we can use point B for position vector OB, point A for position vector OA. Now we can subtract these vectors. So we should subtract their x and y components. Negative 2 minus negative 3 is equivalent to minus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 1. And 4 minus 5 is equal to negative 1. This is the direction vector of this line. Now the normal vector and the direction vector are perpendicular to each other. That means their dot product should be equal to 0. Now we can calculate their dot product. So we should multiply their x and y components. So we get a equals b. This means we can use any non-zero values for a and b as long as they are equal to each other. The easiest value we can use for a and b is 1. So the normal vector for this line is, now we can sub in the values of a and b in the general equation. Now we have to find the value of c, and for that we can sub in any of these two given points as x and y. So let's use point B because it has smaller numbers. So we can sub in x as negative 2 and y as 4. Now we have to solve for c. So c is equal to negative 2. That means the Cartesian equation of this line is, so this should be the final answer for this second problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.